Evening, Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. It's a Sunday. We just got done doing a travel trailer. Had to do a whole floor slide and all that good stuff. Should have made a video of it, but was too darn busy because we also had a JC refrigerating dual 12-volt compressor changeover from a LRM 1200 series. I think 1210 or 1200, I forget, but we had that going on at the same time. So Friday was busy, and Saturday my helper was gone, so we got him out of here this morning. But I'm doing a little shop stuff. I'm gonna turn it around. So we turned the benches around. If you see right there's your battery station with all your battery tools, electrolyte level, and the good one, the hydronic one. You put little things in. I'll make a video of it. But we're getting organized now. I got my hammers and vise with an anvil, and then hacksaws here, battery holders here, puller. But what's good now, I had to fix this, take all this apart. Now we can swivel this bad boy. Look at that, huh? There you go. Now that's the full complete swivel. And let's see. Yep. Let's give it a better view here. So that's what it does. It goes 180, I think. Okay, so there, right? 12 o'clock, 11:30. About right. So got a good swing, long pipes. This is the pipe type. Here's your flat. Here's where your screws hold little small and bigger ones. Right, and then there's your pipes, a round system, and a little anvil to beat on. All right, nothing fancy, but we're getting together so when y'all show up here at the school or try to help me repair your RV and save you a lot of money, then I know where everything is, and I can, hey, go over there by the bench. The hacksaw's underneath the vise. All right, thank you very much, Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. Don't forget to subscribe, give me some likes, put some comments in there. Say, hey, fat man, you need your beard trim or something. There you go. So, what else? What's the motto? Test, not guess. Thank you very much.